What's up mga Padres? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Mike from Soul Padres and we're back with another video. And for today, we have a very special sneaker unboxing with, as you can see, I'm in my Laker gear, Laker cap, Lakers jacket, and Kobe's in the background. You know what time it is. So today is February 1. Multiple sneakers were awarded today to the people who got them W's. The winners of the raffles, among them were the Jordan 1 Balvin, Jordan 1 Center Court, and Kobe 6 All-Star. So lahat ng raffles sinalihan natin, pero dalawa lang na panalunan. Unfortunately, I got an L on the J1 Balvins and got the W on the Jordan 1 Center Court University Reds. However, the claiming time for them were within my work shift. So, yun, hindi na natin na-claim. And luckily, the Kobe 6 All-Star or ASG had a claiming time for the size that I purchased. Napasok sa oras ko na outside my shift. So, with no further ado, let's get into the shoe. So here it is. You can see Nike paper bag from Nike the Fort. Itabi lang natin ito. Ayan. Standard black Kobe box. Just like the Kobe 6s and 5s. Grinch 6s and 5 Bruce Lee's. Standard white paper, receipt, and voila. First and foremost, you gotta smell it. Smells good. So, a little bit fun facts. So, Kobe Bryant was named the MVP of 2011 NBA All-Star Game after leading the West to a 148-143 victory on his home floor at Staples Center in Los Angeles. The Lakers star recorded a game-high 37 points and had a game-high 14 rebounds. He threatened Wilt Chamberlain's All-Star scoring record, which is 42. But was content to move the basketball late as LeBron James led the furious fourth quarter comeback by the Eastern team. So yun, kalaban niya si LeBron yan. LeBron was still in the East at the time. Beast in the East yan si Idol LBJ. Tapos Kobe syempre sa West. Ayan. Another fun fact, highest All-Star vote getter sa West with 2,380,016 votes. Ayan. And then of course, syempre, sa LA din kasi ginawa yun, sa hometown niya, as mentioned earlier. So for the shoe, ayan, you can see some red upper, white swoosh, snake scales, and then black midsole, and then I don't know what you call what the design of the laces are called. Black and red siya, and icy sole, and then white yung dito. So for this pair, this colorway, it's my second straight W. For dalawa pa lang naman ng Kobe 6s na release. So far 2 out of 2 tayo, parang free throw. 100% from the field pa. W. You can see ito, icy sole, really pops out, red, and then ang naging medyo shocker sa akin pag pull out ko sa kanya sa box earlier is yung heel niya, yung heel part niya. Sa Kobe 6 Grinch, it has a patent leather. For this pair, it's iridescent and then kind of 3D. And for the tongue, iridescent and 3D talaga. I don't know if you can see this in the camera. Yan. Yung Kobe logo, yung sheet niya, samurai sheet niya. 3D siya. So, makikita kung magre-red. Mamaya may B-roll tayo, you'll see na yun nga, nag-change ng color tong part na to. Yan. Signature ni Kobe sa likod. And for this pair again, tech specs. Yun, yung traction pattern niya is yung hollowed out snake scales. And then carbon fiber mid-foot shank. Ayan, dito. Tapos full-length cushion, replacing the phylon from the OG Kobe 6s. No more zoom unit in the back. And then zoom turbo unit here in the forefoot. And then micro mesh upper with flywire in it, covered with the protective and for aesthetic purposes na snake scales. So a little bit of comparison sa Grinch. Yan. The All-Star games have full length icy sole. Yan, translucent siya lahat. As for the Grinches, solid in the heel and then translucent in the forefoot. Plus, ito, parang mas matte yung the upper of the ASG sa matte finish compared to the Grinches that have a shiny feel. Yan. So, yun nga. Difference din sa tongue and sa heel na design material. Yan, patent leather dito. And then for the tongues, ito yan. For the lower part of the tongue, same lang din. Kita yung micro mesh. Yan. Or torch something yung tawag sa tongue nito. A little detail that Kobe 6 Grinch doesn't have. This one has a little design here on the bottom of the laces, saying 2011 because it's the year of the All-Star game at that time. I'm not sure, if I'm not mistaken, there are other Kobe 6s that were released on that All-Star year, like the Orange County. Alam ko All-Star din yun, considered as ASG rin yun, pero yung official name niya is Orange County. And lastly, I'd like to point out, and makita nyo smaller yung pair because it's just a size 9.5 seen on the box. Because this isn't my pair or one's pair, it's not our size. I purchased this pair for our kapadring Michael Lasso. Shoutout sa'yo, pre. Ito na yung Kobe mo. So, si Michael Lasso is my teammate sa Midnight Hoops League and Midnight Hoops home team sa Midnight Hoops organization and Facebook group and league ni Boss Lodi, Rodin Corpus of Manila Kingpin and RC3 Clothing. I'd also like to add that the Kobe 6 Protros have memory foam for the insoles, and this specific colorway says West on the left pair, and then 2011 LA 2011 for the right pair, and few stars for the design. And additionally, for the tech specs, Kobe 6s, just Protros, just like the OGs, have a beefy outrigger, as you can see, for support, stability too, and an external heel counter. That's it for our review. This is Mike from Soul Padres. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. Peace.